YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back with another video in JD Nation. What's up with it, man? Now I know it's been a little minute since my last video, but let me let y'all know why. Last week I went out of town, so I didn't really pre-record or nothing, and plus I had to work pretty much all last week before I left to go out of town. So that's why y'all didn't get no video last week, so I'm sorry about that. Please don't hate me, please. I'm sorry. I actually filmed the video though, but I didn't have time to edit it, so yeah, that was the reason why there was no video all last week. So please forgive me, forgive your boy. I'm so sorry, I'll never do that again. But yeah, like I said, I went out of town last week, so I actually tried to film this video that I'm filming right now last week, but I'll get into that later on. This video is a sneaker unboxing. Now, like I said, I was supposed to film this video last week before I went out of town, but the day before, I was supposed to get this package in. As y'all can see by the title, it's an unboxing. I was supposed to get this package in, and it actually was supposed to come last Wednesday, but for some reason UPS said they couldn't read the address and they couldn't find my location, so they had to like take it back and said they'll deliver it the next day. But that was the day I was going out of town, so I was, bro, y'all know I was mad, bro. Like, I was gonna take these shoes with me on the trip, so I had the outfits planned out and everything. I was gonna take these on the trip while I was on vacation and stuff, and they didn't send the shoes. So I was like, man, all right. So I had to call UPS. I was like, yo, can y'all like hold them, cause I'm gonna be out of town this weekend. It was like, yeah, we could do that. So I told them to hold them, and so there was like something wrong with the address and we can't hold them. They just gonna have to get delivered the next day. So I was like, bruh, y'all folks tripping. So luckily I have the UPS app, and I was like, yo, just send it to the front office and stuff, and they was able to do that. So luckily, because I don't know this neighborhood over here where I stay, where I moved to, so I don't know if they got some thieves around here. They be lurking and stuff, so they might have stolen my shoes while I was out of town, and it would have been some problems, bro. Like, it would have been some problems if my shoes got stolen, bro. But luckily, they was able to send it to the front office while I was out of town, so I was able to enjoy my trip. So, but I still wanted to have the shoes delivered on the day that it was supposed to be delivered, so I could take them on the trip with me. So, but anyway, these shoes dropped last week. Hold on, let me go ahead and show y'all. Bow, hold up, thumbnail, let me see. Can y'all see me? Okay, I think that's good. But yes, anyway, these shoes dropped last Saturday, and if y'all into Jordans, y'all know what shoes I'm talking about, bro. So I ain't gonna do no long talking, man. I'm gonna talk long enough. I ain't even gonna do a review on these shoes because this is like a late video, and I was supposed to do this video last week, but like I said, package got delayed, and yeah, we already know. But yes, anyway, y'all see the box is open, and bow. Y'all see that box right there? Y'all already know what's going on, bro. I don't even gotta say no more. I just got off work too, so if I look a little raggedy right now, that is why. And I literally just came in and got a package and sat in front of the camera like, yo, let me go ahead and finish this video, bars. But yes, so I'm not gonna do no full review on these. I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all the shoe because it's enough review videos on these already. So let me go ahead and get into it, man. So here we go. They got a new tag, well, a new label on the box, which is ugly, bro. I hate this label, bro. Like, why? On the Air Jordan 1 box, like, come on, bro. Just keep it OG, man. Just give us the white label, but y'all ain't gonna be paying attention to the label. The shoes are the most important part, but here you go, size 12, and they got the women's size of size 13.5. Woo, that is a big shoe. If you're a woman and you got that big of a foot, oh my goodness. Yeah, so, ooh, I already smell it, bro. Y'all know I love the new Air Jordan 1 smell, bro. Let's go ahead and open this thing together, man. Y'all see it right here. And there they go. Air Jordan 1 Shadow. Y'all like my little angel music humming noise, I guess. I don't know what to call that. But yes, man, ooh, here we go. Oh. Oh my god. Ooh wee. Like I said, I ain't gonna do no full review on this, bro. Y'all done seen enough reviews on these shoes already, man. My video is very late, so for the sake of this video, and because I'm very hungry, I ain't gonna do no full review, man. But y'all see it. Let me just show y'all the shoe. Y'all see it, man. I finally have this shoe in my collection, bro. Bro, it feels very good to have this in my collection, man, because now I have pretty much the OG collection of the Air Jordan 1s complete. The Breads, the Royals, the Chicagos, black toes, and now I have my shadows, man. So now the complete, like, full, like, OG set, well, not the full OG set, because if you don't know, they have the metallic collection, then they have the UNCs, the Storm Blues, all that stuff, man. But for, like, the main OG ones, man, I have all of them in my collection now, so I'm very happy, man. I missed out on these in 2013 bars because I slept on them, so I made sure I didn't sleep on them again. I got these off the Nike app, the sneakers app, man. I got lucky, man. I was so surprised when I got these off the sneakers app, bro. I think a lot of people got through on the sneakers app, so that was very surprising, man. So these are pretty easy to get, man. If you wanted these, you should have been able to cop them, man. But yeah, man, I got my pair, man. So like I said, I got mine in the sneakers app, man. So hopefully I can get lucky with these, what is it, the clay green ones and the blue moon ones that's coming out next weekend. So hopefully I can get lucky with them. Oh yeah, and the yellow, is it orchid or orchid? Orchid, yellow orchid, whatever you call them. But yeah, man, I want those 3 next weekend. So if I'm able to cop them on sneakers app, man, bro, come on, man. But yes, man, here go the other shoe. Now my shoes, now the toe box and the gray leather isn't really tumbled on my pair like a lot of people's is. Now up here on the ankle it's tumbled, but as far as like the toe box goes, it's a little flat. This one is slightly tumbled, if you can see that. But hey, I'm just glad to have these in my collection, bro. And the smell, y'all know I love the Air Jordan 1 smell, bro. But yes, anyway, that is pretty much it. Ooh, the black leather on these is nice though. Hold up. Okay, but yes, man, that's gonna wrap up this video. I just wanted to explain to y'all why I didn't upload last week and to show y'all my new sneaker pickup, man. So yes, man, if y'all cop these, let me know down below, bars. And if it was easy for you to cop, let me know too. So yeah, now with that being said, because I'm hungry and so I'm gonna end this video. So if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good vibes only. Bow 454 season 1 and 2 is now available. Go ahead and copy something if y'all want to. The sale, I think I'm gonna do another sale around like the beginning of May, the first week in May. So if y'all want to go ahead and copy out something, then go ahead and do that, man. So follow the Instagram, Good Vibes Only 454 for more updates and stuff. The new collection for the spring and summer is coming very, very soon, so be on the lookout for all that info. I want to say mid-May, in the middle of May, so be on the lookout for all the info on that, man. So now, let me see. Is that it? Because I'm hungry and I can't think when I'm hungry. But yes, that's it, man. So yeah, like I said, wanted to show y'all these Bow OG Shadow ones. Well, 2018 Shadow ones. I don't know when this video is gonna go up. I think I'm gonna upload it on Wednesday. Yeah, so if you're watching this on Wednesday, shout out to you. But yeah, so now with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces. I'm off this one. I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was sitting up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to use things. But we all so swole now.